We have a local pit master, Mr. Keith Segura from Woodhill Small Batch BBQ. Let's give him a huge round of applause, guys.
There you go. You get manicotti shells, just make them al dente, rip it open, and then you also want to take your sausage, cream cheese, and we use a 5 blend cheese mix. So we put it together, get it in there, and then we take 2 strips of bacon. Who likes bacon? Hell yeah. So that bacon moisturizes that al dente on that manicotti shell so it doesn't dry it out. The other thing you do when you try this at home, you've got some leftover bacon pieces, we stuff them at the ends, just fill in the cavity, and that helps prevent that end caps from drying out. Hit it with a little dust from my friend here, Leslie, down in Texas. So then we hit it with some Blue Dog Raspberry Chipotle. Got a little bite to it, that's really pretty complimentary in terms of heat. Straight to the smoker for about 2 hours, 250. So once we're done with that, we get to make your belly smile.
That's it.